Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Grapes are rich in antioxidants which can help combat free radicals and reduce the signs of aging. They may help minimize the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines and age spots, promoting a more youthful complexion. Grapes contain natural moisturizing compounds like vitamin E and fatty acids, which can help hydrate and nourish the skin. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you this amazing face mask. Just try it and you won't regret it. Just amazing. Well, all we need is 7 grapes, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Start by washing the grapes thoroughly to remove any dirt. Place them in a blender or food processor. Blend the grapes until they form a smooth puree. In a separate bowl, combine the grape puree with honey, yogurt, and olive oil. Mix well until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Apply the grape mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. You can use your fingers or a clean brush for application. Leave the mask on for about 20 minutes to allow the beneficial properties of grapes to work on your skin. Rinse your face with warm water and gently pat it dry with a towel. Follow up with your regular moisturizer to lock in the hydration. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.